Hello my creative friend, welcome to my channel, and today I have great news for you if you're an English speaking subscriber of mine. Sorry for the sad because the sun is really strong today here in Auckland. It's autumn right now. As you can see, I cut my hair since last time I was live here on YouTube, since my last video where I asked you what do you think about my new idea to create YouTube channel where I will post video in English only. So I did it, yes, I did it, and there are already some tutorials that you can check out. I will put a direct link to my new channel in the description box below. Its name is Olga Art 888. So let me briefly read the description of this new channel for you here. So this new channel, Olga Art 888, will be all about interior design drawing tutorials, and this channel is really great for interior designers as well as interior design students who want to master new amazing skill, hand rendering, sketching. And on my new channel you will find helpful tutorials if you're interested in hand rendering techniques, interior sketching with markers, and of course my gem, my favorite topic, perspective drawing. I mean 1 and 2 point perspective. So I will wait for you to subscribe to my new channel, and thank you so much for your feedback in my previous video. I didn't expect that much feedback, but there are like 40 comments, and I'm so excited to know each and every one of you, my dear creative friends. So I would be really glad if you would continue introducing yourself. From which country are you from? Why are you interested in interior design drawing? So I can know you better, so I can connect with you better. Thank you one more time for watching, and I'll see you on my new channel, Olga Art 888. Bye for now.